Here's why you don't let your 3D printer run overnight. What a mess. Good grief. So here's a time lapse. I started the print about 11 p.m. and foolishly I didn't listen to the recommendations of other people who are a lot smarter than me about 3D printing, and I went to bed. So here's the time lapse as it seems to be printing fine for a while, but then we run into this problem. The cooling fan comes loose. Apparently I didn't have it tight, and apparently it jammed at the back, and the whole platform got stuck forward. So here we are printing a huge chunk of plastic hanging from the extruder and banging against the bed there. Um, I'm surprised it didn't damage things more than it did. It just tore the tape loose, and it did make a sort of a gouge in the fan that fell off, and a gouge in the bed there, but otherwise not too bad, hopefully. So this is something not to do in the future. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.